Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make some Kawaii candy or toffee apples using polymer clay just in time for Halloween. So let's get started. So firstly, take the colour that you would like your apple to be, and here you can see that I have a ball of red clay ready to go. You then want to use your fingers to mould it into the shape of an apple, meaning that you want the bottom of the apple to be slightly more narrow. Next, I took a large ball tool and I gently pressed it into the top of the apple to add a bit more shape to it. For the toffee apple stick, I'm just using a toothpick and I'm using my scissors to cut it to size. To help secure it into the clay, I'm using some Sculpey Bacon Bond, so I just brushed the toothpick through the liquid clay and then I popped it into my apple. I actually ended up putting a little bit too much of the liquid clay, so here I'm just scraping off the excess. Next up, to make the leaf, I firstly took a small ball of green clay, and then to create the leaf shape I firstly pressed it down and then I pinched one side to create a point. I then made an indent down the centre of the leaf using my needle tool and then attached it onto the top of the apple. Moving on to the face, I firstly created two indents where I wanted the eyes to go, and then I placed in two balls of black clay. I attached on a small U shape of black clay for the mouth, and then for the cheeks I used two small balls of pink clay and secured them on. At this point I went ahead and added my eye pin so that I could make it into a charm, and you can also do the same if you would like to make yours into a charm. Next, we're moving on to making the toffee part of the apple. So for this, I'm using my Bacon Bond once again, and also some chalk pastels. I just picked out a tan colour and a bright brown. I poured some of the liquid clay onto a small sheet of paper, and then I scraped in the chalk pastel powder and mixed it around until I got the colour that I wanted. Now is the fun part where we get to dip the apples into the toffee, so I just held onto my apple by the toothpick and I rolled the bottom around into the liquid clay mixture until it was all covered. I then went ahead and perfected it a little bit and added some more of the toffee to the bottom of the apple so that when I pressed it down it kind of oozes out the sides. I'm going to be baking mine on a piece of baking paper, so I just set my apple onto the baking paper and then I actually repeated these steps with my little green apple as well. So this is what they look like. I then went ahead and baked them in my oven according to my package's instructions. After baking, I took some super glue and I applied it onto each of the eye pins so that they were nice and secure. And then finally I used my UV resin as a glaze to make my charms nice and shiny. So here are what my little toffee apples or candy apples look like once they are completely finished. These are really cute charms if you're looking for something to make for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!